they have done their research, they have
Exactly.
done their history, record, everything
Yeah.
to show and to make it believable to us.
Bollywood has made you believe that these village folks, they are seedha, sada, bhola, bala. The village folks are petty. Okay, like they can be as shitty about smallest of the things that you cannot imagine.
Hello everyone, my name is Devlina Ray.
My name is Abhishek Singh.
Welcome back to a very fresh episode of Weekends with Us. So this last week we also watched Panchayat season 3, the much awaited season actually, and we were not disappointed. We really loved the season, the entire season, but we thought of skipping it as a review for this channel because we thought that any which ways people would be watching it.
Yeah.
Because of course Panchayat has a different set audience of its own, it has built its audience of its own, but we were disappointed by the reviews that were getting circulated around.
Right.
So we thought, let us again take that responsibility in our own hands and to tell you that you should be watching this movie.
Yeah, absolutely. Series.
Series.
Rather. Yeah, exactly. I mean, like this series has a cult following on it of its own, and you know, after a long time, you have a series which is liked by all generations of people. Like, I mean, it's not like only we are liking it. Our parents are also liking it. So I showed it to my mother. She loved it. Right. So she has seen both the seasons. I'll be telling her to watch this season as well. And like, there are all the returning characters, like you would know, right? So
This is something I really loved about this series
Yeah.
because I thought that probably by a third season there is going to be some development which is going to happen to the extent that some characters will not really be
Yes.
there probably,
Right.
and some characters will play a more pivotal part.
Right.
But the good part of this season was, I think because you know all the characters have been given equal importance, all of them have a story to tell, all
Right.
of them play an equal important role in this
Right.
entire panchayat, in this entire village per se.
Right.
So it was very heartwarming to see all the characters staying intact, and there are a couple of characters which were also brought back.
yeah, from after a long time, like
Yeah.
like you saw them in season 1, and now they are back. You know, smaller characters, but still they are there.
Yeah.
So like because you like this series, like and in general TVF series, because they really understand the characters. Okay, like we were just discussing about Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, and we were telling that how these Bollywood folks don't understand middle class at all.
How Karan
Our
Johar
jobs.
does not understand middle class folks because
Yeah.
they're all about Balenciaga and Gucci.
Exactly.
They have not really lived in town.
Right.
But these people, first of all, they come from theatrics
Yes,
background.
right.
I mean, even the characters who are portraying them, I mean, even the actors, actresses who are portraying the characters, not necessarily you have to be coming from a middle class background,
Right.
but they have done their research, they have
Exactly.
done their history, record, everything
Yeah.
to show and to make it believable to us.
Right. Like there is a bit of sincerity when you look at any of these series. Okay, so I'll talk about 2-3 examples. Okay, one is TVF's Permanent Roommates, for example.
Yeah.
They are real people in real jobs having a real relationship problems.
And the problems are very realistic.
Very realistic. Okay. There is TVF Aspirants where a person is appearing for UPSC exams. You see the nuances of appearing for these exams. What are the steps? How do you clear these step-by-step examinations? You go to the interview, and not yet there. They go to the next level to show how the administrative work is done in the second season.
Yeah.
Like how the on-ground reality of how an IAS officer is dealing with the politics, with the industrial people, with the townspeople. They do a lot of research, and similarly here, it's a village of Fulera, which is shown in UP, right? Ambalia UP ke paas. This village is there, and it's very heartwarming to see the kind of language they have shown, like the way they speak, the kind of food they eat, the
kind of politics and the kind of gossips
Yeah.
that these people do
Exactly.
before afternoon nap probably, right? या फिर चाय के ठेले में मतलब क्या gossip करते हैं ये लोग?
Yeah, मतलब
और
ऐसे
उनके लिए
canning
मतलब
करते हुए
छोटी-छोटी चीजें become
Yeah.
मतलब a big issue to be discussed
Exactly.
and to be brought to the panchayat for having a critical discussion. मतलब full GD table वहाँ पे
Right.
बैठता है वहाँ पे यार.
बिल्कुल, because Bollywood has made you believe that these village folks, they are सीधा साधा भोला बाला, very pure of heart, like the nicest people to be around, हमेशा नरम आवाज में बात करने वाले लोग. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay, the village folks are petty as okay, like they can be as shitty about smallest of the things that you cannot imagine. उनके घर के सामने से बाउंड्री कैसी बनी है, रोड कैसी बनी है, आज खाने में क्या बना, नहीं बना, आपने इसको खाना खिलाया, हमें खाना नहीं खिलाया, हम पूरब से हैं, हम पश्चिम से हैं. n number of things can cause an uproar in the village that you will not think while you are sitting on these kind of couches in your houses, right? You'll never understand them if you're not being there. Yeah.
Or if you're not doing enough research.
Exactly.
If you're
Or
not spending enough time on research,
Right.
which definitely a Karan Johar, background of people will not be doing, because they do not really want to attract probably that kind of nuances to the character.
Yeah, exactly.
So whether the reviews are about it is not worthy, it is more politics than punch, or like anything that you are reading in the news,
Right.
please go watch any TVF series just because of the research, just because of the innocence that each series brings into the play,
Right.
and the reality of it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, exactly. So the series, the reviews are talking about that. Well, these characters are flawed. That's the point of it. I mean, yeah, these characters are flawed. I mean, the main characters, and I'm happy with it, that they are flawed in a way that they think of their own politics, their own kind of people, and in the course of the series, they do understand that yes, there is a problem within me. Like, okay, they are not ideal Ram Sita kind of people. They are flawed in those ways. That is there. That is the point of it. The second was, I think there was a lot of negativity, politics, something going on. I think that is one of the reviews.
Yeah, that it was more about politics.
Yeah, exactly.
That is what I read.
And it was hard to watch or slow to watch. Again, you will only like this series if you relate to these characters, okay? And may or may not have lived in a village. I mean, I'm not going to say that is the only way you can relate to them. But
honestly, if you are that kind of a person, right, who calls a bhaiya a bhaiya, then it is definitely not for you. Let's be very frank about it. You are definitely not going to understand the middle class nuances to it if your ancestors have never really been part of that life. Exactly. If you are an absolutely bandra khar or like a baya kind of a people, you will not relate, and probably it is absolutely okay. It is absolutely okay because for you probably a Rocky Rani and a Rocky Randhawa kind of a person would probably be more attractive.
Exactly.
There are horses for courses because of the same reason.
Right.
But to make a statement like this and to put it out as a news for others to, I mean, that is something which is very problematic.
Yeah.
We like the simplicity of it because we are being involved in the character.
Right.
And the good part in this series is that, or series 1 to 3 of this Panchayat entire piece is that there are the DNA of each season is actually very different. So I do agree, probably here you are not able to see more of probably what you have seen in the previous season. It is only because it is, this is like a cycle, a life cycle that is being shown.
You have to watch the previous 2 series to understand this series.
And there are like chote developments that are happening.
Right.
Like this series actually ends on a very bright note actually. There's a lot of tanav now to, we as an audience are like intrigued to find out. I think this is what the writers also do it really well. उनको देखना होता है कि audience का reaction कैसा है, and then probably they will either introduce an absolutely new villain or they will make some khichdi with the existing people who are possibly the villains.
मतलब full blown लाठियां चलती हैं, बंदूकें चलती हैं, and that is how villages are. I mean, ये जो they show double barrel gun.
And the good part is यहाँ पे जो लाठी जो चला रहे हैं, like it is sure कि ये लोग pro नहीं
है.
Like अगर आपके और मेरे हाथ में अगर लाठी पकड़ा दिया जाएगा, हम कैसे अंधाधुंध मारेंगे, right? यहाँ पे भी वही दिखाया है. That is the beauty of this movie. Like it is not meant to be perfect. Villagers are like, those people are not meant to be perfect.
Yeah.
There is some groundness, some earthiness to it.
Right. They're waving like randomly. गिर रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, फिर भी ऐसे they're waving
खुद पे भी मारा है, खुद के पार्टी को भी मार दिया उसने सिर पे.
Right.
चल रहा है.
So it's too much fun, and so number one, you are not going to have the same innocence of the first season because this is a story which has evolved. Number two, one thing that TBS is really good at, you can call it a flaw, I call it a pro, that even the villains are not outright villains. Not like mustache twirling villains that I am a villain, so I will be doing villainous shit. No, you understand their point. Like if Bhushan is doing all these things in the village, if he is doing gossip, but if you think from his perspective, he is not wrong. He is seeing these people who are the protagonists of the shows, they are flawed. They are taking some decisions which are in their favor. So from his perspective, you will see that he is probably not wrong in that way.
Yeah.
If you look at Vidhayak is doing Vidhayak things. Okay, of course he's corrupt. He is a lot of things. But by the end of the series, somehow we were a little bit feeling for him.
Yeah.
you know,
Correct.
about his horse. And you see the TV series and you'll know what I'm talking about. But at the end of it, you're like, I think I can kind of understand this guy a little bit. So that is what TPF is really good at.
I mean, there is that human touch which is shown.
Yeah.
Just say, for example, in Mr. and Mrs. Mahi, right? We were not able to relate
Yeah.
why were the people acting in a certain way.
Right.
Because we were again not made to invest in the character and the highs and the lows of the character also.
Yeah.
Here since we are invested in that story, we
Right.
also know why a Vidhayak is
Yeah.
behaving in a certain way, why a Sachiv ji is behaving in a certain way, why is Neena Gupta behaving in a certain way.
Right.
We know. And
Yeah.
we understand,
Yeah.
we then end up feeling also कि ठीक है यार इतना भी बुरा नहीं है,
हाँ,
ठीक है मतलब गोली खाने को रेडी हो गया मतलब that villain, right?
Exactly. हाँ, absolutely.
वो बोला कि आज तो अगर गोली आएगा तो
तो
सबसे पहले
हम
हम पे
खाएंगे।
आएगा ठीक है मतलब you know that innocence is there.
That is there, exactly. So I'm like, this series is basically again an escalation of the first two seasons. Abhishek Tiwari was kind of fired from his job or transferred from his job in the last season, and then he has to kind of make a comeback in the village somehow. And you see that how much these guys are trying to get him back. Like there is that camaraderie, that
Yeah,
the
I
road, you know.
loved that.
You know.
वो छोटे शहरों में
हाँ, उधर ही हो सकता है.
innocence जो है ना वो वहीं पे होता है.
उधर ही हो सकता है कि भाई हमारे पास पैसा हो ना हो, आप आओ बैठो खिलाएंगे आपको, you know, that is there.
And there was a very important dialogue which I really loved कि कोई भी समय के पहले नहीं जाना चाहिए.
हाँ,
Which was
yeah.
by Prahlad.
By Prahlad,
That
हाँ,
was
right.
like a very strong dialogue.
Exactly, yeah. So I mean, like Vikas and everybody is kind of having their own journeys, right? I mean, you see Abhishek Tiwari, Jeetu's character, he's trying to crack the CAT examination. Vikas is kind of on a family man mode, you know, he is growing his family. Prahlad is dealing with the loss, still, you know, reeling
He's
from
trying
the
to
loss.
cope up with the loss.
Cope up with the loss, and during the entire series, he's trying to get out of it, right? The whole sheer sadness of losing a family member. Pradhan's wife, they are trying to come up to terms with how they are dealing with the politics, how they are supposed to treat the people in the village, their own relationship. They're also butting heads a lot in this series, right? And their daughter Rinki
and
so
Sachiv ji का
उनका चल रहा होता है थोड़ा सा, and you know, and she's also now trying to do MBA. हाँ, मैं भी करूँगी. मैं भी आया. We used to call MBA मैं भी आया back in the day. Yeah, in UP, like it was dissed upon के देखो चल रही है MBA करने. मैं भी आया. So yeah, she's also doing MBA now.
We were actually making fun, right? कि सचिव जी को नहीं मिलेगा और इसको आया है रोहतक में
रोहतक मिल जाएगा. Exactly.
जिसको नहीं पता अभी तक कि what is the data interpretation, what is logical reasoning.
Right.
She has got entry to IIM Rohtak.
Right, and there were some characters who did not get any time, but Vidhayak had a daughter now, but there was no character.
You know
for
what I
her to
felt
play.
like, you know, this season is actually that building block
Base, like
for base for the next season to shine.
Yeah.
Because बहुत कुछ मुझे लगता है ना
Right.
कि is going to happen in the next season.
Exactly.
इसका cat में अगर हो जाए तो क्या he's going to leave and he's going to have his own life? What is going to happen to Rinki? Is she actually going to pursue or is she going to get married?
Right.
इनका जो बच्चे का जो दिखा रहा है मतलब what is that for?
What is that for?
वो उनकी जो बेटी दिखा दिया
हाँ वो भी दिखाया. That is also not addressed.
What is that
for?
character going to do? मतलब
And-
क्या उसका और सचिव जी का कुछ ऐसे लिंक अप कर देगा कि just to have कि क्या कहते हैं उसको शांति नहीं शांति बनाए रखे. अगर if you really want like no शांति in the village, this is our peace का कबूतर. मेरी बंदी को मेरी बच्ची को ले लो तो.
Right. Yeah, हो सकता है possible है. Now there is a Sansad also in play, right? So now there is some from like अभी तो विधायक थे, MLA थे, अभी उनके ऊपर भी पहुंच गया है अभी बात, right? So there is a senior politician now involved. So a lot of things have been set up in this series. Hopefully we'll get to see more, and we want to see more, right? I mean, so.
And this is worth watching. That is the only thing that we wanted to talk about. Not really do a detailed review about each character.
Yeah.
Please go and watch. It is in Amazon Prime and
Very short and sweet. Every episode is very short, to the point. Kuch, you know, there's no fluff, there's no unnecessary length. You know,
there is no shoshabaji.
Just go and watch it. Exactly.
Yeah. That's it, I think, right? From our side.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you for watching this. Do like, share, subscribe, comment. कोई एक भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा आपको. But thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next. Bye bye.